Today, I get to drive this car.
This video is produced in collaboration with Dream Drive Private Limited.
Today, I'm going to tell you all about this 2008 BMW X6.
I don't know nobody on my level, dripping sauce like a boss, plus I'm rocking heavy metal, yeah. I don't know nobody on my level, dripping sauce like a boss, plus I'm rocking heavy metal.
The 2008 BMW X6 xDrive 35i. This car, this urban beast, runs on an N54 3-litre twin turbocharged engine, all-wheel drive transmission, 6-speed gearbox. This car comes with the full Hamann wide body kit as well as the Eisenmann exhaust system. Let's talk about the interior. So as you can see, it's an extremely comfortable cockpit position. I actually feel I'm sitting in a lounge chair. Okay, so one of the features of this car, along with other modern cars now, but considering this is over 10 years old, it comes with the steering wheel position, the memorized steering wheel position. So every time you start the car, it adjusts back to its previous position. You also have two different seat settings, as well as the Android display. So this one's an aftermarket system. It comes with, you can still go back to the old iDrive system of the BMW, but now you have newer features. You got Bluetooth and everything, all inside the Android system itself, or in the display. So this car also comes with dual climate control, so you can control the climate of your co-driver and your driver's side. Okay, the rest of the items are pretty standard, CD player, so on and so forth. Of course, you still have the old telephone thingy. I don't know, it's what we used to see in Pretty Woman, where they pick up the phone in that Lotus Esprit. Yeah, so this is basically meant for the telephone. Yeah, for the richer people, I suppose. I don't think they even sell the phone in Singapore, or even did sell it. Okay. I'm gonna tell you guys about the iDrive system connected to this Android screen. Okay, so you can still use the iDrive buttons, but you can also use your finger. Yeah. So as you can see here under car info, it says a switch to the original car interface, and this is where you go back to the original iDrive system, the original iDrive setup. As you can see, it looks very retro looking, but that's why most people, they upgrade to the Android one, where the pixels actually look much better also. But this is if you're going back to check on all your car statistics, like over here, steering wheel buttons, your clock, your date, everything. Okay. Oh yeah, I need to. Boop. Yeah, so you can also connect it to Wi-Fi. You can use a browser. You can watch videos. You also have navigation, and this is where you do your Bluetooth phone calls. Your music is also tied to Bluetooth. So this car comes with pretty much everything that you need, including its own Android style dashboard. So if I were to rev the pedal, yeah, you can see it like this in a nicer display, if that's what you prefer. But it's a very good addition because you can always switch it back. As you can see, the leg room is huge. Huge rear leg room. Look at that. Still so much space from the front. Also, it has aircon vents at the back. It's very important for such a car like this, for such a huge car. Usually you struggle to get aircon coming out to the back. So you got to blast the one in the front. At the rear, you have your own aircon vents. You also have the hooks on the top here, just to hang stuff. Just like that. Look at that. So convenient. An Alcantara steering wheel, boys. driving feel is really good, super comfortable as well, very stable in the corners. This is because of the front and rear anti-roll bars that come standard with the car. It's also still on its original suspensions. It's got that really good overall solid feel. It does feel luxurious. This car comes from a time where they weren't really cheaping out on materials, you know, not like recycled plastics and so on and so forth.
So it also comes with the automatic tailgate. Ta-da! Look at that! Okay, this one is spring-loaded. So many vehicles, it just keeps falling on you. This one's spring-loaded. No spare tire. Nowadays all the vehicles are coming with no spare tires because they want to save weight, create more fuel efficiency, then the car's more sellable. So they give you the tire patch kits in case you get a tire burst or leak or whatsoever. Most cases you just call for a tow truck anyway. So here you can actually cover the top. So when you close the boot, you know, robberies happen less because they can't even see what's in there, right? This is also removable, like so. So easy, right? Huge boot space, huge. The seats can also be knocked down. Well, that's all for today, guys. Please like and subscribe and follow the channel. Thank you. The fuck? Where is he going?